Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to post Park document in SAP. So to post Park document in SAP, use transaction code FVV0, then press enter, enter the company code, document number, fiscal year, and if you don't know the document number, you can get it through the document list. Yeah, once you click on the document list, you can get it from here. Once you click on execute, click on exit here, enter the fiscal year, click on continue here. Now you can see all the details which you have entered previously. So if you want to make any changes, you can update here, like document date, posting date, GL account, amount, even the cost center and profit center as well. So these are the editable field you can edit. Then click on simulate here. Here you can check the document interview overview. Then click on post here. Now you can see the message here. The document ending with 02 was posted in company code 7075. Click on OK here. If you click one more time with the same document number, you will see the effect here. Now you can see here the accounting document, and on the bottom you can see the message also. Document is not an accounting document. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.